Hey guys, I'm not here today, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the first couple of problems for the worksheet that I gave you yesterday. I know I'm wearing the same clothes as yesterday. That's because I'm actually filming on Tuesday to prepare for my absence on Wednesday. Number one, um, you have to first write down the mRNA sequence that we'd make from the DNA, circle your codons, and then write down the amino acid sequence. So the original DNA is here. We are going to give the mRNA complement. I'm going to do the first three with you. Then I'll have you pause this video and finish it on your own. So T is going to an mRNA base pair to an A, another T, which will base pair to an A, and an A, which in RNA is going to base pair to a U. Okay, go ahead, pause this video, and I'll come back with this whole line with the complement. Okay, here's that whole line. Now you are going to circle your codons. Remember, codon is a set of 3 bases. So there are my codons all circled. I'm going to now find the amino acid sequence for each of my codons. I'm going to do the first one with you. Okay, so I thought maybe you could use a quick refresher on how to use the codon table. What you're going to do, for example, one of our codons was AAU. Here's how you do it. You take the first base, which in this codon is the letter A. I'm going to find it over next to first base, letter A. I'm going to circle that whole column. My second base is A. I'm going to find second base here at the bottom. Going to circle that whole row. The box where those two intersect is the box where my answer is. So my answer's got to be right in here. My third base is U. So along this side, third base, I'm going to go to that box where my answer lies. Here are the corresponding third bases for this box. I'm going to find the one that says U, which is right here. I'm just going to circle the U that applies to our box. So for AAU, asparagine is the correct answer. Abbreviations, just flip your paper over. Here's our list of amino acid abbreviations, and for asparagine, it is ASN. Alrighty, that's how you do it. So now let me copy my codons. I have my first codon, which is AAU, and that gives me asparagine, which is ASP. Work out the rest, and then come back to this video. Okay, so there is my string of amino acids. I'm now going to go to number 2. The directions tell me to change the 7th nucleotide in the original DNA strand from a T to a C. So first, I'm just going to start by writing down or circling the DNA base that I'm going to change. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it is. Let me circle it. And it tells me that what I'm going to do, this mutation changes the T to a C. And it wants the mutated DNA strand here, not the complement. I'm going to copy my original DNA strand, except I'm going to turn this T into a C. All right, let's go. T, T, A, C, A, A. Up. I've reached my T. That's going to be a C. A, G, A, C, G, G, T, A, A, C, T. Okay. Now, from there, you're going to get your mRNA complement. Okay. Get your amino acid sequence. Make sure you circle your codons like we did above. And then the specific mutation type. Okay. So go ahead and work through the mRNA strand and the amino acid sequence part. We'll come back and talk about the mutation type together. Okay, so here is what you should have right now. What the difference caused is for this um, amino acid to, instead of isoleucine, become valine. Okay, so look back at our notes, and I'm going to insert a picture here. Um, so what happened to our amino acid sequence or our protein? We had asparagine, valine, isoleucine in the original. Oh, it changed to a valine because of um, this mutation. Okay, so looking at what we talked about yesterday, and you have notes on your paper, but I'm also going to throw up a picture here. Um, you see that when we have a one base change, that's going to cause a change in amino acids. It's a point mutation. And the type of point mutation that we talked about that does this is a missense. Okay. So that's how you do that work. You're using your notes from yesterday along with your prior knowledge of protein synthesis. Okay, so that's it. That's what we're doing today during class. You're going to do numbers 3 through 6 by yourselves on the paper. Um, then you will turn it into the substitute teacher. Do not say you didn't know, because you do. I'm telling you. You're going to turn it into the sub. She or he will make sure that I get it, and we'll kind of put all of these pieces together. So protein synthesis, DNA replication, and mutations. I will see you guys all Thursday. Wish me luck at the dentist.